What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. Well, today's video is gonna be a bit different. In today's video we're gonna be talking about Fortnite for Android. So this game is insanely popular and it's available on a lot of platforms. You can play it on a PlayStation, you can play it on an Xbox, on a computer, and lately you can even play it on an iPhone or iPad, so it's available on iOS. But the one place where this game is not available, it's Android. So there are a lot of people that use Android devices and definitely a lot of people that want to play this game, and there is this huge scam that's going around for a couple of weeks regarding Fortnite for Android. So if you do a quick search on Google or on YouTube, you're gonna find a lot of videos that show you how to install Fortnite for Android. Two of those videos are fairly popular. One of them has about 2.2 million views and the other one has about 900,000 views. So definitely a lot of people that are searching how to install Fortnite for Android. So all the videos that I watch show the exact same thing. Go to this website and it's always the exact same website that they show, and this is not the official website for this game developer. Go to that website, install the APK version of that game, and then no video shows the game actually playing. So everybody just shows how to install the game. So I was very curious to see why is this happening. So I went ahead and installed the game on a couple of Android devices. I mostly wanted to see if there is any difference in between installing it on a more powerful device and on a slower device, but there is no difference. So the first thing I noticed is the fact that the game is fairly small. It only has about 44 megabytes, but the original game will probably have somewhere around 1 or 2 gigs. So definitely not a real game. So I figured this app must have some type of adware or try to steal some information from your phone. So I installed an antivirus app and I scanned that app to see if there is anything like that. But there was nothing, the app was clean. I went ahead and opened the game and the game starts loading and then it starts downloading something, but in reality it's not actually downloading something because the size of the app never changes, so the app stays at the exact same size of the 44 megabytes that we had at the beginning. Just before you start playing the game you're gonna get a pop-up, and that pop-up will say that you have to do a mobile verification. You press OK and some sketchy website will open, and on that website you supposedly have to download an app so you can verify that purchase or whatever. Now you can download those apps, and those apps are actually legit apps from the Google Play Store, and you can install them and play them, and you're supposed to play them for about 30 seconds so the verification is done. Now after you play those games and you install them, nothing happens. You go back to the app and nothing happens. It's just a black screen. You have to close the app and start it again, and if you start it again you get to the same pop-up and you have to do the same thing over and over and over. Now if you check the URL from that website that opens, you're gonna notice that the URL has an affiliate link in there, and basically that affiliate link tracks how many downloads are done through that particular link. So why is this important, you're probably wondering? Well, in the past I was approached by app developers and they were willing to pay up to $1 per download if I would be to promote their app or game. Now I've never done that, but a lot of people do that because they can gain a lot of money from it. So whoever made that website and that fake app probably made a lot of money, and they're probably still making a lot of money because a lot of people are downloading those apps hoping that they can play the game. So every time someone downloads one of those apps, that person makes money, and that's free money by scamming that person that downloads the app, and free money because they are scamming those companies that are trying to get their apps promoted. So there you have it. This is the real reason why all those videos exist, because somebody's making a lot of money, and that somebody's probably paying all these YouTubers to make those videos on how to install Fortnite for Android. Alright guys, hopefully this video was useful. If you did like it, share it with everyone, because these people are just making so much money for no reason, and a lot of people are just getting scammed into installing those apps on their phones for no reason, and once again those companies are getting scammed by thinking they're promoting their apps, but they're not in reality. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.